Thanks for joining me on my next video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. It helps me make more videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on a key fob for a 2020 Honda Civic SI. This procedure should be similar for other Honda vehicles, models, and years as well. So you don't need any special tools other than a flathead screwdriver and a replacement battery, which is a CR2032. So just to give you an indication as to what you would see on your dash when the battery starts to get low, you can still start the vehicle, but you're going to see a message indicating that the battery on the fob is low. Keyless remote, battery low, and you can hear that beeping as well. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to change that battery. So here's the key fob for 2020 Civic SI. I'm sure it's probably very similar to other Honda models and years. So in order to get to the battery, you need to be able to separate the case. First thing you need to do is remove this this key here, and to do that, on the back there's a switch right there, and you're going to push that switch up, and at the same time you're going to pull on the ring, and that's going to release the key. This is a key used in case your fob dies and you need to get into the car. So inside here, where the key came out of, that little slot top left, let me just get the flashlight on so you can see it. Okay, so just the top left here, there's that slot there, that's where the key came out of. What we're going to do is we're going to put the key in there, and then we're going to twist it, and that's going to pry open the fob for us. So we're going to put the key back into the fob, not all the way in, just slightly, and we're going to twist, and that pops open the fob. So the fob is now open. There's the battery. I've actually replaced it once, so it's not the original battery that's in here. This is an Energizer, and the battery you need is a CR2032, 3 volts. So as you can see, the plus is on top and the writing's on top. So to remove the battery, you can get yourself a flathead screwdriver, just kind of put it underneath the battery and just pry it up. So once you've got the battery up, get your replacement battery and basically put it back in the same way as you took it out. And you can see that little red light came on as I did that. I'm not sure if you saw that, but so I'm going to put the battery back in. Battery's back in, and just put the cover back on and snap it back into place with your 2 hands. And that's it. Put your key back in, and you're all done. Now your battery's been replaced and saved yourself some money. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.